So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to create logo for YouTube channel in Canva. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, you need to search for canva.com, and here are the website. So you can search a logo here, and you will find a different logo types. Like for example, if you need gaming logo, you can also make gaming logo from here. So I just search for business logo. Here you can see more and more templates. So I just show you an example on how to create a logo. So I just click on logo here. So now this is the dashboard of Canva. So from here we are going to create and customize our logo template. Okay, so in left side these are all called templates. I just show you an example on how to create it. After completing your logo, just click on download and click on PNG and click on download again. So here you can see they are asking to sign up. So if you need, you can also sign up here, and if you don't need, just click on download now. So then the logo will be downloaded. So this is how you can create logo for your YouTube channel in Canva. Thank you for watching.